Just arrived at the Thomases.
Huh?
I said we just arrived at the Thomases. Their awning fell over their car and truck. And the awning fell across the front. I don't even think she knows we're here. Well, I don't know. Looks like the wind is okay. Hey, you got dinner ready?
Got dinner ready.
Well, it's Monday, 11:45, and there's still snow. But it's beginning to melt, I do believe. Eddie and I got out yesterday and made a little pathway that leads to Miss Thomas's mother's apartment. That way she could get out. I think Miss Thomas just talked to her and she said she was getting bored. Really dying. Mr. Thomas venturing out. His poor old truck.
But I ain't no too good or help.
We cleared you a path so you could walk.
We both fall one on top of the other, and maybe the top one won't get hurt too bad.
It depends on who's on top, Mr. Thomas. See the mountains over in the distance.
Through the woods. You can see through the woods a lot better than you ever could.
Yeah, so pretty.
Well, there's one unfortunate soul who ventured out.
Big hill. Batteries flashing, I guess.
The trees over here broken down. She's got a water hose spraying back there, trying to get their truck out. People landed everywhere.